A dish with a French accent. Today we're preparing a baked baguette. Hello! Remove the edges. They're quite rigid, so we won't be needing them. Next, cut into slices of medium thickness, about the size of a finger. Use a bread knife. Thanks to its teeth, the crumbs will not form, and the crust will not crumble. For today's dish, we took a traditional baguette, made without any additive flavors, but you can use any one you like. Now to lubricate the baking dish with butter. It combines better with bread than vegetable oil due to its milky taste. In addition, the bread will not be allowed to stick to the surface. In your greased form, put the baguette pieces. Do not leave large gaps between them. The bread should lie tightly together, crust to crust. Prepare the filling. For it, we break 5 chicken eggs into a bowl. This will be quite enough for a mold with the diameter of 25 to 27 centimeters. Add to the bowl 245 grams of natural yogurt, without additives, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any other vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to your taste. Also add a little paprika. This will add a touch of sweetness. Now mix until smooth with a fork, whisk, or mixer. Of course, with the latter, things will go faster, but you can also handle this task manually. As you can see, achieving good results is really not so difficult. Our dough is ready. Add the filling to the pieces of baguette. Try to spread the dough evenly so that each slice of bread is soaked with it. Don't forget about the sides. They should not remain empty. Top with 100 grams of cheddar cheese on a medium grater. It has a unique, nutty, and slightly pungently sour taste, but it is quite possible to replace it with any other cheese with a 35 to 40% fat content. It already looks very appetizing, but that's not all. We send the dish to the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, preheated at 180 degrees. Look at how crispy the crust is. Now you can try it. The dish easily comes out of the form. Cut it using a pizza knife. It'll be much more convenient. Our simple dish can hold up to any full-fledged, labor-intensive pie that you could possibly buy at a restaurant. Bon appetit!